So call recording not showing. I already update iOS 18, but it's still not showing. And this is the ISO 18 another version. You can see here the call recording icon is showing, and now I able to record call. So how I do it? To record your call, your latest ISO 18, you have to go your setting, then go to your general, then software update, and once you go to the software update, you can see I am using the 18.1. It's a beta version, so you have to update with your phone with your latest ISO 18.1 beta version. So go to setting a software update, then you can see. And if you don't able to see this option, then go to developer.apple this website, then you have to log into, go to account, then log into with your iCloud account, and once you log in, just complete the process, enroll today, and go back to your setting. Then you can see the beta version is available here. You just need to update your 18.1. Once you update, then you can record your call. Let's try. Then you can see the top right corner. Once you press on this eye icon, then your call will be recorded. See? And if you want to stop, then just press on this red icon, then your call will be stopped, and you can listen your call from here. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.